Hi, and welcome to Family Recipe. My name's Anne, and today we're making a super fast weeknight dinner, a 10-minute ham barbecue. This is my mom's ham barbecue recipe. We had it all the time growing up, and it's perfect for a busy weeknight supper. For the sauce, you'll need 1 cup of ketchup, and I live in Pittsburgh, so of course this is Heinz. I have half a cup of water. Isn't this measuring cup cute? My sister just got it for me for my birthday. I love it. So tiny. And then I have 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce and 2 teaspoons of just regular yellow mustard. You could also kind of spice it up with Dijon or a spicy brown mustard if you'd like. 3 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And of course, you'll need about a pound of shaved ham. I'm going to add all of these sauce ingredients to a medium saucepan, and then we'll put it on the stove over medium to medium high heat and bring it to a simmer, just for about 5 to 7 minutes. So just to clarify, we'll start the sauce at about medium to medium high heat, but as soon as it starts to bubble, you'll want to turn it down to low so that it simmers and it doesn't splatter all over the place. So this has been cooking for about 6 or 7 minutes. All the ingredients have incorporated, the butter's melted, and next we're going to add the ham. So this is about a pound of chipped ham, and at my deli I like to get what's called ham off the bone, but you could get any flavor you want. A Virginia ham would be good, even maybe a maple flavored ham might add a little extra sweetness, which would be really delicious too. I'm going to put it into the sauce, and then I like to use a fork to stir it so that every piece gets coated. We'll let this cook for just a few more minutes, and then we can assemble our sandwiches. To assemble your sandwiches, you can use some fresh hamburger buns or hot dog buns, or even toast if you like a little bit of that crunchy texture. And my husband loves putting cheese on his sandwiches. These taste great with some sliced provolone or even sharp cheddar. So I've got my bun here. My ham was heated through with the sauce. We're going to add that onto our bun. Do a little bit more there. And then I have one final tip. Definitely have extra napkins at the table because this sandwich is saucy. I'm going to serve these sandwiches tonight with some steamed broccoli and some farm fresh corn on the cob. This sandwich is calling my name. Let me know in the comments below if you try this quick and easy weeknight supper. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon on Anne's Family Recipe.
For the full recipe, check the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen.